Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. Our daily announcements. Please complete your assignments in the order they are assigned. One thing leads to another. Quarter one is ending soon. Please make up your missing assignments. If you still have assignments that you have not done, it is important that you get those in as soon as possible. And our autumn attendance challenge is underway. Keep in mind, the class with the highest percentage of attendance in their synchronous classes wins. In order to be counted, you must be on time, you must stay until I dismiss the class, you must have your camera on and participate. The winning class earns a free 100 for a test grade. Guys, also keep in mind that you need to attend your synchronous class. Some of you are joining classes that are not your class. That does not count as you being present for your class. All right, let's take a look at our module for today. Keep in mind, I do need you to complete this daily attendance. It is right there on our home page. The link is right there. Or you can also do it directly in the module. We said today is Tuesday. Keep in mind, we had our Monday resources, our Monday activities. You should have definitely done your daily reading practice and your Nearpod yesterday. Moving on, today is Tuesday, September 29th. Our weekly text is An Hour with Abuelo. Your goals for today are: I can analyze the interactions between the characters to reveal their perspective. And drawing on yesterday's assignment, I can analyze the impact of irony in a specific line or section of a literary work. Our daily agenda is completely your daily attendance form. I did include that down here for you. Do your daily reading practice, and we are going to read and annotate An Hour with Abuelo today. Here is your daily reading practice. It is called The New House. It is very short. Go ahead, I need you to read it and answer the 4-question quiz. It's called a quiz, but it will count as a classwork grade. That is due today. Next up, we have our text annotation directions. It says this assignment will be found in the online textbook. It will count as a classwork grade. You are to read the short story, and you need to annotate the following. You're going to circle in green details about the setting, underline in blue Arturo's feelings, and highlight in yellow one thing that is unexpected at the end of the selection, and explain in the text box. Keep in mind you're submitting these for a classwork grade. In order to get to our online textbook, you are going to start at the Cumberland County homepage. You're going to scroll all the way to the bottom to that home-based login and go ahead on and log in. All right, once you're in here, you're going to go ahead and click on EasyBridge. Once we're in EasyBridge, we're going to go ahead and click on Realize, which will take us to our screen with our class assignments. You should see An Hour with Abuelo Student Edition, and you should see the selection test for An Hour with Abuelo. All right, moving on. Once you click on that student edition, it should take you to a page that looks like this. Keep in mind you have certain text features that are in here for you in your online textbook. You can look at the background of the story. You can look at information about the author of the story. You can hide this bar at the top so you can see more text. You have access to the audio. You can even control the speed of the audio. Anywhere where it is blue already, you can click on that to gain more information. All right, so you are to read the text and you are to annotate the text. So I asked you to circle details about the setting in green. So, first detail about the setting is it says, my grandfather is in a nursing home in Brooklyn. That is definitely setting related, where and when the story is taking place. You highlight it like you want to copy and paste it. And then I said you need to circle it in green. Save. All right, the next thing I also asked you to do. So you're going to go all the way through the text, and anywhere you see a detail about the setting, I should see that circled in green. Not just the example that I gave you. I should see what you've done throughout the whole entire text. All right, I asked you to go ahead on and underline Arturo's feelings in blue. All right, so it says, my grandfather is in a nursing home in Brooklyn, and my mother wants me to spend time with him, since the doctors say he doesn't have too long to go now. I don't have much time left on my summer vacation, and there's a stack of books next to my bed I've got to read if I'm going to get the AP English class I want. I'm going stupid in some of my classes, and Mr. Williams, the principal at Central, said that if I passed some reading tests, he'd let me move up. All right, so right here, I see a feeling. We're going to go ahead and highlight that like we want to copy and paste it. And instead of clicking circle, we're going to click underline. And I said underline his feelings in blue. Now, again, this is just the example I'm giving you. When I open up your text, I need to see all of your annotations. So I'm just giving you one of each. Then I said at the end of the story, you need to find something that is unexpected, and I want you to highlight that in yellow and explain. Now, I'm not going to highlight what is unexpected because that will be giving you the answer. I want you to consider what you learned about irony yesterday, and I want you to find what you think the irony is in the story. But just to show you how to highlight something with yellow, I'm going to go ahead on and do this first line just so I can show you. So you highlight whatever it is you want to highlight. You're going to highlight yellow, and I said type a note. Tell me what is unexpected about that. Click save, and then you have your note. So you need to finish this. You need to read the whole selection. When I click on your selection that you submit, I should see all of those highlights, underlines, and circles telling me those details about the setting, feelings, and what is unexpected. Go ahead and submit this today as soon as you're done, and I hope you have a fantastic day.